This video is aiming to explain how the control circuit and the power circuits works together. In the control circuit we find components like a circuit breaker, the auxiliary contact for the thermal relay, a stop button, a start button, an auxiliary contact for the contactor, and the coil. In the power circuit we find the circuit breaker, the main contacts for the contactor, the thermal relay, and the motor. If you push the start button and the control circuit is completed, thus magnetizing the coil, and the main contacts in the power circuit closes. This makes the motor start rotating. The auxiliary contact of the contactor keeps the circuit complete after the start button has been released. In order to break the circuit, either the thermal relay has to react to an overload or the stop button has to be pushed. If so, the control circuit will stop the power circuit and the motor will stop. If we start it up again and the thermal relay reacts to an overload, the auxiliary contact of the thermal relay will break the control circuit and by doing so stop the motor. This is how the two circuits work together. If you like this video, consider leaving a like or a comment below. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing.